Children, how are you all? I hope all is well with you. In the last class, I have completed the lesson A Real Patriot. Also, I have given the notes. I hope all of you have written it. Now, in this class, let's learn about a new poem, Go Not to the Temple. So, all of you have to take your reader. I will read the poem. Keep your finger on the reader. Children, connect the dots and draw a joker. I hope all of you love the joker, right? Yes, all are like the joker. So here they have given the picture of joker, also given the dots. So you have to draw the line on the dots and you have to complete the joker first in the pencil. After that you have to color this. Understand? You have to color this. Now I will read the poem. Go not to the temple. This poem is written by great poet Rabindranath Tagore. The poet, famous poet Rabindranath Tagore. Go not to the temple. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of God. First, fill your own house with the fragrance of love. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer. First, learn to bow in humility before your fellow men. Go not to the temple to pray on bended knees. First, bend down to lift someone who is downtrodden. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of God. First, fill your own house with the fragrance of love. What is the meaning of this? It means it is not necessary go to the temple. It is not necessary go to the temple. Instead of that, what you have to do? Instead of that, we have to fill our house with the fragrance of love. It means fragrance means scent or pleasant, nice smell or perfume music, right? That smell all we like. It means we have to fill our house with love, with understanding, with adjusting and helping each other in our house. So we have to fill our house with full of happiness. So no, we have to make our house as a temple of God. So the meaning is we have to make our house is a temple of our God. Instead of going to the temple, we have to make our house as a temple of our God. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer. First, learn to bow in humility before your fellow men. Go not to the temple. Do not go to the temple. Instead of going to the temple, bow down. Namaskarisu. Your head in prayer. ನಿನ್ನ ತಲೆಬಾಗಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಟೆಂಪಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿನ್ನ ತಲೆಬಾಗಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ first learn to how bow in humility. Humility means being humble. Meek person, being humble person, we have to be humble with whom? You have to be soft, not getting angry or not fighting with our fellow men. Though we are at home, our parents are there, brother and sisters are there, neighbors are there. So we have to be a humble person in our society, in our house. Instead of we are bowing our head to in the temple to the God, we have to bow our head. We have to be a humble person in the society and at home. Go not to the temple to pray on bended knees. First, bend down to the life, lift someone who is downtrodden. Going to the temple, kneeling down and praying. Instead of that, ಮೊಣಕಾಲಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಟೆಂಪಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಮೊಣಕಾಲಾಕಿ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನೆ ಮಾಡುವುದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಟು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಮ್ವನ್ who is downtrodden. Who is downtrodden means oppressed or helpless, who is very poor, who have nothing, who is struggling in their life, who is struggling to have food, struggling to have work or something. So who is struggling in their life, we have to help them. We have to bend our knees to help them. Instead of we are bending our knees and praying with God, so instead of that we have to bend our knees to help the downtrodden, helpless people and to make them happy. This is a summary of the poem. Who has written this poem? Rabindranath Tagore. This poem, right? So you have to memorize this poem. It's already written, recite. Sorry, not memorizing. It is recitation. Recite this poem. Read after me. Go not to the temple. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of God. First, fill your own house with the fragrance of love. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer. First, learn to bow in humility before your fellow men. Go not to the temple to pray on bended knees. First, bend down to lift someone who is downtrodden. Now take out your notebook. I'll give the notes. Write today's date, 4/1/2021. Write a heading on the margin. On the first line, go not to the temple. Leave one line, Roman number 1. Write the meanings of fragrance, pleasant smell, humility, being humble, modest, being simple, downtrodden, oppressed. Write the short note on my country. So write the heading in the first in the line, then leave one line, start to write, leave one finger gap from the margin, Then start to write. India is my country. I live in India. Full stop. There are many rivers, mountains, islands, and deserts. Deserts too. There are many big cities and small villages in our country. India has many holy places. People of different religion live peacefully together. There is unity in diversity. I love my country very much. This is about my country. You have to continue to write in the notes. Okay. Now let's watch a poem about Go Not to the Temple. One short video I will put for you.
Go Not to the Temple, written by Ravindranath Tagore. Go not to the temple to put flowers upon the feet of God. First, fill your own house with the fragrance of love. Go not to the temple to bow down your head in prayer. First, learn to bow in humility before your fellow men. Go not to the temple to pray on bended knees. First, bend down to lift someone who is downtrodden.
Children, I hope all of you have understood the poem. Thank you. We'll meet in the next session. Bye. Take care.